Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily share a text story on Facebook from your PC using the latest update. If you love posting quick updates but want to keep things simple, this is a great way to do it. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. First, open Facebook on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Create a Story option. This is usually at the top of your newsfeed. Step 3. Click on the Create a Story button, and you'll see different options. Select Create a Text Story from the available options. Step 4. Now, it's time to add your text. You'll see a box on the left side of your screen where you can type your message. Go ahead and write what you want to share with your friends or followers. Step 5. After typing your text, you can customize it a bit more. Choose your preferred font and select a background to make your story stand out. You can play around with the colors and styles to match the vibe you're going for. Step 6. Once you're happy with your story, click on the Share to Story button. And that's it. Your text story will be posted for everyone to see. That's all for today's quick tutorial. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Happy posting on Facebook.